Hello, this video is to help you with reading part 2 about the author Pi. So make sure that you've done part 1 before you do part 2. What is your name? And type in your name. You're going to read this story. I'm not going to read it to you, I'm just going to help you with the questions. So go ahead and go back to your screen or pause this video to read the story. Why did the author write Making Airplanes? So this story you just read, why did the author make it? To persuade you to learn how to make a paper airplane? To inform you of all the steps to make a paper airplane? To entertain you with a story about making a paper airplane? So this story, what did they talk about? Think about it and think about maybe why the author would write it. To persuade you, to inform you, or to entertain you. According to the author, a paper airplane is hard to make. Is that true or false? True means he said it in the story. The author in there said it's hard to make. Or false, he didn't say that in the story. According to the author, what can you do with a paper airplane? Pick 3 answers. So we're going to look back into the story and we're going to find 3 things in here that he said you can do with a paper airplane. And then you're going to pick 3. Smash it, play with it, race it, or throw it. What are the 3 things in the story he said you can do? You're going to watch this video about Bobby and his teacher. So pause this video so you can go watch the video and then come back so you can finish answering the questions. Why did the author write this story? To persuade you, to inform you, to entertain you. Why did he write this story about the teacher and Bobby? Who are the main characters in the story? You're going to pick the very best answer. Bobby and Miss Kirby, Bobby, Miss Kirby, or none of those people, none of the above. So who was that story about? What is the main problem in the story? If you forgot, go ahead and go watch the video one more time so that you know for sure. Bobby doesn't have any friends at school and is sad that he plays by himself. Bobby loses his hat at the park and tries to get someone to help him find it. Bobby's mom wants him to play at the park, but the ducks keep bothering him. Bobby thinks his teacher is mean because he gets into trouble at school. So what was the main problem in that story? So that's like the biggest problem in the whole story. Then you're going to watch this video on how to fold a paper airplane. So go ahead and pause this video and watch the paper airplane video. Welcome back. How far does your first airplane fly? There isn't a right or wrong answer. We're just curious, so that means you can just pick. Maybe try and make a paper airplane and see how far it went. This one says just a few feet across the living room, so far that you have to chase after it. Now watch this video to learn how to fold another paper airplane. Go ahead and pause and go watch your video. Welcome back. Why did the lady in the video make this video? To persuade you, to inform you, or to entertain you? Why did she teach us how to make a paper airplane? Was it to persuade us to make a paper airplane, to inform us on how to make a paper airplane, or to entertain us on how to make a paper airplane? How do you make a paper airplane? Cooking paper, shredding paper, or folding paper? Look back in the video. How did she do it? According to the video, you need 1 piece of paper to make a paper airplane. Is that true, meaning she said that in the story, or false? She didn't say that in the story. Maybe she said something different, or maybe she said she didn't tell you how many pieces of paper. How far does your second airplane fly? Again, there's no right or wrong answer. We just want to know. So shoot your paper airplane across and tell us how far. Just a few feet? Across the room? Or so far you have to chase after it? Good job answering all of these questions. Go ahead and submit, and good job.